Hello everyone, welcome to MBA Karo. So this is the solution to the first set of the Navratri series. It says that Parvati visits five temples. She starts from her home with a certain number of flowers and offers some of them in the first temple. And when she comes out, the number of leftover flowers get doubled. So that means the flowers get become two times. She visits the second temple and offers the same number of flowers she offered in the first temple. And as she comes out of the temple, the number of flowers get tripled. Then third temple, same number of flowers, and these the flowers get quadruples. That means four times. And when she visits the fourth temple and offers the same number of flowers, this time the flowers get quintupled. That is five times. And she visits the fifth temple and offers the same number of flowers, and this time she has no flowers left. Okay, so the first question is, what is the smallest number of flowers she could have taken to the first temple? Now in this question we are not given that how many flowers she had and how many flowers she offered at the temple. So let us say that she had x flowers in the beginning, right? So if we talk about the first temple, she had x flowers. she Suppose she offered y flowers, so kitne bachenge? X minus y. Okay, then in the second temple, before she goes, it is says that the flowers get doubled, so it becomes 2x minus 2y. She's left with x minus y, it becomes 2 times. Then it becomes she gives y flowers, it becomes 2x minus 3y. Now this gets doubled, this gets tripled, so this gets tripled, that means it will become 6. 3 times means 6x minus 9y, and she offers y flowers, so it will become 6x minus 10y. Now this flower becomes 4 times, right? So that will be 24x minus 40y. She offers y flowers, so now she is left with 24x minus 41y. Okay, now we are given that this number becomes 5 times. So now when she visits the fifth temple, the flowers are 120x minus 205y, and she offers y flowers. Now the number of flowers is 120x minus 206y. Now it is given that she has no flowers left. That means the number of flowers becomes 0. Right? If number of flowers becomes 0, we will get this equation. So this gives us 120x is equal to 206y, or we can say that 60x is equal to 103y. We have to find that smallest value of x. So smallest value of x will be x is equal to 103y by 60. Okay, now if like we have to multiply with y, right? We do not know the value of y, so if we take y 1 2 3 4, we will all get fractions. So if we take the value of y as 60, let us say if we take 10, so it will become 103 by 6, so not an integer, so we need to get an integer, so we need to multiply by 60. So if you put y is equal to 60, then x will be 103. That is the minimum number that we will get. So smallest number of flowers she could have taken, that is 103. Now this will be in multiples of this, right? So this could be 60, 103. This can be 120, 206. This 3 times if we take 180 and 309 and so on. So there are multiple possible combinations, but it is asking the smallest number. So smallest number will be 103. What is the smallest number of flowers she could have offered in each temple? So in each temple she is giving y, so smallest value of y is 60. Now the next question, how many flowers was she left with after visiting the third temple? Right? Now after third temple we get 6x minus 10y. Okay. Now what people would do in this case is they will say x is 103, so that is 618 minus 600, and say the answer is 18, which is one of the options, but that is not the right answer. The reason being, we do not know the values of x and y. isn't it? In this case, it is asking the smallest number. So smallest number of x, smallest number of y. But if we are not knowing the value of x and y, we cannot determine this number. So if we take 120 and 206, we will get different answer. For this, we will get different answer. So this answer cannot be determined. Now, the fourth question, it says, on Sunday, the fifth temple was closed. The magical powers of the temples remained the same. Doubling, tripling, the same thing happened, but she did not visit the fifth temple. So she went only till the fourth temple, right? So, what is the minimum number of flowers Parvati should take to the first temple so that she is left with no flowers after offering an equal number of flowers in each temple? So basically, it is not saying that, it is saying that this part should be 0. So 24x minus 41y is equal to 0. So that means the value of x will be, minimum value of x will be 41 and y will be 24. It is asking about the value of x. So minimum she needs 41 flowers. So basically just like reducing the problem to 4 iterations instead of original question of 5 iterations. So that was the solution to the set. Please comment that how much time you took to solve the set and how many of the questions were you able to solve correctly. And if you loved this set, please don't forget to like the video. This series will have different variety of sets on different days, and each day the solution will be presented at 9 p.m. in the evening. So thanks for watching this video.